Hey guys, welcome to another video for simonsvideo.com, and my name is Simon Tay, and this is for electric unicycle and gadget review. But anyway, it's gonna be gadgets. I bought the Xreal Beam, and because it's a little bit too hot to handle while it's playing its media, you want to place it not inside a pocket or inside a bag because you'll overheat in 30 minutes. So you need to put into a clip, a belt clip or something like this. I 3D printed this, and I'll put the STL and the on-shape link on the description below. After you print with the support, all this support is to support this area. So I use a little mallets and various size screwdrivers and this to scrape off all the excess. And once it's done, it's possible to just simply put in the Xreal Beam. So yep, it's very snugly in. You do not need to actually take out all the time when you want to use it, even though it's possible to take out, because this particular belt clip is easy to slot in and out of your belt. Because I removed the little edge here, so that it's very easy to slide up and down. Even though once you put into your waist, it will be very secure. So let me demo. This is a sweatpants without any belt. All you need to do is just simply slot in, but with a single hand on the phone is slightly harder, but yep, there you go. Without the belt slot at the side, you can slide the thing at the back. So while you're doing exercise, you'll not be affecting. And there's a little bit protruding on the top side that you can put your clothes underneath the belt clip, and you will not cover the exhaust or the top. Or alternatively, you can reverse it and put the exhaust at the bottom. But it will be based on your own preference, because the cable will be coming out from the bottom to your glasses, the extra glasses, and one to the battery if you want. Once you are using it to beam content of your phone onto your Xreal Air or Xreal Light. Yeah.